Hey guys, I'm Jakob. I'm going to present to you one of the kits made by Bleedkit.com. This is the Premium Road Gold Bleed Kit, and in this box you will find everything you need to bleed your brakes. Let's take a look inside. This is the base for the funnel and to keep all the fiddly parts at hand. There are 3 studs at the bottom to keep all your spare to store all your spare O-rings that you get in our kits. You can easily fit them in place. This way you will never lose them, except if you lose the whole thing, of course. On the top side you can place the funnel and all of the adapters. On the left side you can place the road adapter, and on the right the TRP adapter. But you won't get this one. After all, this is the road bleed kit. Let's take a closer look at the funnel. It has an M5 thread made of brass, so it's nearly impossible to strip. It is transparent, so you can see the bubbles rising and the condition of the oil. It can hold 30 milliliters, and its tall design makes it harder to spill. This is the threaded stainless steel plug with a nice hanger, so you can rest it while you bleed your brakes. It's easily to plug the funnel with just a few turns, and you can take it off full of oil. You also get 2 bleed blocks in the box, a bigger one and a smaller one. The bigger one is for flat bar brakes. You can use it with 4 piston or 2 piston brakes, depending on how you turn it. And the smaller one is for road bikes with drop bar brakes. Another item in the box is a 7mm wrench. You need it to open and close the bleed port on the caliper. Everybody has an 8mm, but remember, for Shimano brakes you need a 7mm. So it's really good to have one in the box. Now let's take a look at the caliper and syringe. The tube has a stainless steel connector, providing a guided fitment between the tube and the bleed nipple. It holds the tube in place so it won't snap while bleeding. See? It won't snap, but it's still easy to detach. There's also a clamp on the tube if you prefer to do the gravity bleed. Last but not least, you also get a practical rubberized one-side hook and loop strap for securing the caliper syringe to the frame or fork. Since this is a gold edition kit, it also includes 100 ml of gold hydraulic oil. This is the best hydraulic oil for all types of mineral brakes, such as Shimano, Magura, TRP and Formula Cura. This oil is a true game changer. Believe me, I've used it on the Mega Avalanche and I'm super stoked. Try it for yourself and see.